Do you want to create an entire film using just a single prompt? This AI website will change your entire game. Here you can just type a single prompt and let the AI know what kind of video you want, and it will generate the entire video for you. You can even ask it to generate the subtitles. This AI will generate the entire script for you, add background music and voiceover to the video, and you can also ask it to change voice and accents. In short, this AI will generate a wild movie using stock footages in just 1 minute. Say goodbye to hours of manual video editing. This AI is a complete game changer. And with these videos you can also earn money on YouTube by creating faceless channels. Let me show you how.
So first of all, you have to go to this website called Invideo AI. I will mention the link in the description. Simply sign up with your Google account. After signing up, you will see this interface. And I must say the website has a visually appealing design. It looks so beautiful. So you can see a prompt box over here where you will type the prompt. So first of all, we will select the workflow, that what kind of video we want, YouTube short, YouTube explainer video. So I will select YouTube short, then I will create a prompt over here. I will tell Invideo that what kind of YouTube short I want. So I want a video about top 3 breakfast recipes for weight loss, and I want it to include the recipes in the video as well. And I will tell it that the video should be inspiring, attractive and informative. Then I will select the gender. I want a female voice, then I will select the accent of the voice. For example, you can select American accent, Californian accent, Southern accent, whatever you want, Middle Eastern accent, Indian accent, young voice or whatever you want. So I will select clear American voice. Then you have this option of subtitles if you want to hide the subtitles or you want to show the subtitles in the video. So I want the subtitles to be shown. Then you can choose how you want the stock images to be used in the video. Like you don't want the stock images to be used, or you want fewer stock images, or you want only stock images. So I will select that use fewer iStock media. Then I will continue. Then you can review your prompt once and edit if you want. Once reviewed, click on generate. Now it will analyze your prompt, and after analyzing, it will ask you some few more options, like what kind of audience you want. So here I want to target the audience who are weight loss seekers, so I will select this. Then the video should look and feel inspiring, so I will select inspiring. Then the platform I'm choosing is YouTube Shorts. After selecting all the options, click on continue. Now this is incredibly cool and inspiring. Like within a minute, my idea became a video. Let's see how it turned out. I'm really excited to see the results. So let's just play the video.
Welcome to a new day, a new opportunity to make healthy choices. Let's kick it off with our top 3 breakfast recipes for weight loss. First up, we have the classic avocado toast. All you need is whole wheat bread, ripe avocados, lemon juice, and a pinch of salt and pepper. Mash it, spread it, and you're ready to start your day with a dose of healthy fats and fibers. Next, we have the protein-packed Greek yogurt parfait. Layer Greek yogurt, mixed berries, and a sprinkle of granola for a sweet, satisfying start to your day. Remember, it's all about portion control. Finally, an all-time favorite, the veggie egg scramble. Sauté your favorite veggies, whisk in some eggs, and voila! A high-protein, low-calorie breakfast. Remember, losing weight doesn't mean starving yourself. It's about making smarter choices. Stay motivated, stay healthy, and enjoy your journey to a healthier you. Until next time.
Wow, like this is incredibly amazing. Like the video turned out to be really cool. Just one thing I want to change in the video. I want the first recipe to be replaced by a healthy sandwich recipe, but I don't have to edit the whole video manually. What I will do is that I will write in the command section that change the first recipe into a sandwich recipe, and it will do the work for me. So let's try this out. So I'm writing here, change the first recipe to any sandwich which is healthy and weight loss friendly. So after writing the command, I will click on generate, and you can see it has edited the video within seconds. Let me show you.
Welcome to a new day, a new opportunity to make healthy choices. Let's kick it off with our top 3 breakfast recipes for weight loss. First up, we have the nutritious turkey and veggie sandwich. You'll need whole wheat bread, lean turkey slices, lettuce, tomatoes, cucumbers, and a minimal spread of light mayo. Pile it up, press it down, and you're ready to start your day with a balance of protein, healthy fats, and veg.
So you can see it has changed the first recipe into a healthy sandwich recipe. So to be honest, it has really inspired me a lot. Now you can export the video by clicking on export video. Select your desired resolution. Now for free videos, you can choose stock watermarks that will appear in your video. But to remove the stock watermarks, consider upgrading your account, which I think is a worthy investment in my opinion. Now if you check their pricing plans, in the free plan, you can export 4 videos per week, but the stock watermarks will appear in the video. But if you want to upgrade your account, then there is a plus plan which starts from $20 per month, which I think is very reasonable. So I think you should give it a try. Now let's put this AI tool to the test with a unique challenge and see if it can live up to my high expectations or not. It's an exciting experiment. So I will ask it to generate an ad video for me. Now let's find out if it can generate this or not. So I will select the workflow first. This time I will select YouTube explainer video. Now I will select the video duration. So I want the ad video to be around 30 seconds. So I will select 30 seconds here. Then I will write the prompt. So I have asked it to create a short and engaging ad video for my brand Vogue style. Then I have given it some extra details as well. Like make sure the video should feel fun and stylish, and everyone should convince to check out my brand Vogue style. I can add some more details as well, like what kind of clips I want to be added in the video. So I'm writing here, add video clips of fashion models that looks modern. Now in the next box, I can add some additional details like the ad video should look professional and sounds engaging. So you can add extra details according to whatever you want. Now you can also select background music. So I want a happy, uplifting, pleasing music. You can add whatever you want, whatever kind of music you want. Now I will select male gender for the voiceover. Now select the voice accent you want. So here I will select New Yorker accent. Then I will select use fewer iStock media. Once everything is done, I will click on continue. Now just check, it also generates the video title for you, which is really amazing. So now I will select my video audience. So I want to target fashion enthusiasts. So I will select that. Then I want the video to look and feel glamorous. So I will select glamorous. Then the platform will be YouTube. Once done, click on continue. So again, it hardly took a minute to generate the video. So let's play and check it out.
Dive into a world where style meets quality. Vogue style.
So first of all, you can see there are no subtitles in the video. Also, the video is in a female voice. I wanted the video to be in the male voice. So first of all, in the command section, I will ask it to add subtitles to the video. So it has added the subtitles. Now I will ask it to change the voice into a male voice. I'm also adding some more details, like it should be high pitch and high bass with an American accent. So you can also add details, then click on generate. So it's done. Now let's play and check it out.
Dive into a world where style meets quality. Vogue Style, your one-stop destination for fashion that speaks volumes. Unleash your confidence with our everyday wear, or steal the spotlight at special occasions. Experience the blend of trend and comfort in every thread. Remember, Vogue Style isn't just about clothes, it's about the statement you make. So why fit in when you were born to stand out? Vogue Style, fashion that defines you.
Simply amazing. What a wonderful video. Just some little things I want to change. First of all, I didn't like this image, so I want to change it. So I don't have to edit the whole video manually. What I will do is, I will edit the video using their AI editor tool. Click on this edit option and this timeline will appear in front of you. Here you can see all the media that was used in the video. Now to change a specific image, you can simply upload a media from your gallery, or you can search for the new media in the search bar. So I will write here models fashion and the relevant media will pop up here. So I can easily switch out the image I want. So I will select this clip and the above selected image will be replaced by this. So here you can see it has been replaced. Now in the same way, I will replace all the media that I want. So I also want to replace this clip. So after selecting, I will choose the media. I like this clip, so I will click on it and it will automatically replace the selected clip. So you can see above it has been replaced. Now in the same way I will edit my video. So once done, just click on apply. Now in the same way you can also edit your scripts. So you can add or remove the text. I like my script so I don't have to change it. I will just add one line in the script. Then once done, click on apply changes. Now if you want, you can also undo or redo the changes. So my video is done. Now let me show you the final result.
Dive into a world where style meets quality. Vogue Style is our new fashion brand. It's your one-stop destination for fashion that speaks volumes. Unleash your confidence with our everyday wear or steal the spotlight at special occasions. Experience the blend of trend and comfort in every thread. Remember, Vogue Style isn't just about clothes. It's about the statement you make. So why fit in when you were born to stand out? Vogue Style, fashion that defines you. Shop now from our website.
Just simply wow. The video looks absolutely stunning and I must say it completely lived up to my expectations and has won my heart. So now you can also join their Discord community. There you will find some other content creators as well and you can see what they are creating with Invideo, and you can also reach out to their 24/7 live chat support team if you get stuck anywhere. Now you won't believe I created this amazing cinematic film using Invideo. Then I created a faceless YouTube channel and uploaded this video over there. Just within a few hours my video started getting views and I gained over 100+ subscribers in just one day. What if I stay consistent? I'm gonna get rich, trust me. So I am adding the faceless YouTube channel link in the description box. Just go and check it out.